Dear viewers, welcome to Manju's vlog. Today I am going to prepare cream of tomato soup, mostly loved by everyone. Let us run through the ingredients quickly. Washed and cleaned, finely chopped 5 tomatoes to be kept ready. 1 stick of celery cut into pieces. 8 whole cloves of peeled garlic finely chopped. Slice half carrot into thin slices. As an option, half capsicum to be chopped. 1 whole onion to be chopped. 2 slices of bread cut into square pieces. 200 ml of fresh cooking cream to be kept ready. 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds. 2 teaspoons of whole black peppercorns to be used. You can use as per your spicy needs. 2 teaspoons of dry oregano. I have a whole basil plant. We will use only 2 stems of basil leaves along with the stem for the soup. Let's start the preparation. Keep a heavy bottom pan on the burner and switch on the burner. Add fresh butter. Once butter is heated, add cumin seeds. Now add finely chopped onions. Saute for a minute. Now add chopped fine garlic. Add chopped capsicum. Sliced carrots. Saute well. Now add chopped tomatoes which was kept ready and mix well. Add cut pieces of celery, whole black peppercorns followed by oregano and give a mix. Add now salt as per taste required. Mix well and saute for few more minutes. Now add 1.5 liters of water to the mix. Add fresh basil leaves which I said initially, which is of 2 whole stems, and mix well and keep the lid covered and let it boil for 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 to 12 minutes, now open the lid. Almost all the ingredients has cooked well. Unbelievable aroma I can sense and sure everyone will love it. Remove the pot from the burner and keep it aside. Let it cool down. During the cooling down process, keep a non-stick pan on the burner. Let it heat. Once heated, add olive oil around 2 tablespoons. Once olive oil is heated, add a teaspoon of oregano. Just mix well and to this add the cut bread pieces. This will be used as a bread croutons. Instead of frying the bread, I am using oregano and olive oil flavor infused inside the bread and it will be toasted well. Bread is ready and keep it aside. The boiled mixture is cooled down now. Transfer it into a blender. 3/4 of the blender to be filled. Cover it with a lid and blend well. Blended mixture to be strained by using a strainer and the mix to be kept separately. The ingredients which is in the strainer to be disposed. Now this is the final step before the serving. Keep a heavy bottom pan on the burner. Once the pan is heated, add a tablespoon of butter. Butter has melted and spread all over the vessel now. Now add 1 tablespoon of plain flour or maida and mix it well so that the lumps is not formed and the flour is well mixed with the butter and it is smooth. Once the flour turns to a golden brown, add a few quantity of strained tomato mixture slowly and mix well so as to avoid forming lumps from the flour. Again add slowly some more quantity and mix well. Ensure there is no more lumps formed in the mixture. Finally add all the tomato mixture and let it boil. Add few drops of orange red color to the tomato soup so to get the original color for the cream of tomato soup. You could see all the ingredients is mixed well and a thick consistency of tomato soup is ready. Finally add fresh cream from the top and slowly mix it well. The awesome silky consistency cream of tomato soup is ready to serve. Serve the tomato soup in a soup plate with few drops of cream on top as a garnish with a basil leaf. The roasted bread croutons infused with flavor of olive oil and oregano to be served on the side, which can be added on top of the soup while consuming. If you have additional bread croutons, you could save it in an airtight container too. Hope all of you enjoyed the video of this rich, flavorful, healthy cream of tomato soup. If you like, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to receive my upcoming new videos in the coming days to keep you engaged. Thank you once again for watching Manju's vlog.